Hello everyone, now we continue our lesson binomial theorems, and today we're gonna learn binomial expansions. Okay, binomial expansions. But before that, I would like to review what last class, okay, because this related today. Everyone should remember the Pascal triangles. The Pascal triangle, if we like only the coefficient, say, if we start from 1 here, right? Let's see, use another color here. If we lay down here 1, right? This the first one here is a 0 row, right? And this one, the first row, say 0 row. This one 0 row. And this is the first row. And second gonna be, we always, the font here always 1, right? 1, and then 1 plus 1 become 2, and then 1 carry down. And this is 1 first row, second row, and third row gonna be 1 plus 2 become 3, 2 plus 1 become 3, and 1 carry down, and go on for this second, I write down second row, this one third row, and fourth row gonna be wing 1 down, 1 plus 3 become 4, 3 plus 3 become 6, 3 plus 1 become 4, and this is a 1 to fifth row. Fifth row, 1 plus 4 become 5, 4 6 become 10, 6 4 become 10, and 4 plus 1 become 5, and bring 1 down. Go on up to 6th row maybe, and then 1 plus 5 becomes 6, 5 plus 10 become 15, and 10 plus 10 become 20, 10 plus 5 become 15, and 5 plus 1 becomes 6, and bring down. And then you can observe, if 6 row, that means power, the n power 6, right? So gonna have 7 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if we like at the like algebra, right? So let's see, this one gonna be this one like a x plus x plus y power 0, right? Anything, any base power 0 always 1, right? So we have, I might be like down here first. This will match to here, okay? The 0 row, and this one first row gonna be x plus y power 1, and then this one gonna be x plus y power 2, and then next x plus y power 3. Also go on up to n term anyway, power 4, and this one x plus y power 5, and this one x plus y power 6. So any base power 0 always 1, right? So we like 1 here, and this one gonna be xy, right? Because power 1 is xy, and this one, if this one we like in the algebra form, okay, then x power 2, you use the formula power 2, right? So you're gonna have x power 2 plus 2xy, remember that one? Plus 2xy, and then plus y squared. Okay, so this one power 3, you're gonna have what? X power 3 in the order, right? Next term gonna be what? X power 2 y, and plus x y power 2, and plus next one gonna be y power 3, x power 0 plus 3. Just say I can write up x power 3 y power 0, and power 1 power 2, and then power 3, and this one gonna be x power 0. Okay, you remember that time we do. So you can see this one x power 1 mean this one, so you refill here is a 1, right? And then this y in the front coefficient is a 1, mean this one. So you fill here 1. Okay. And then again, this one x, the x power y power 2. So the font here coefficient, it means from this one. So you refill 1 here. Maybe I use the same color, I think. Okay, this is a 1 here. 1. Use pink color. 1, 1, and this is a 1. This is a 2. 2 mean this one, correct? And then 1, fill it up here. Okay, and then this is a third row, like now third row here. So 1 you fill in here. 3 you fill in front of the second term here. And 3 you fill in here. And this one means it's 1 here already. Okay, 1 here. And fourth, you do the same thing. Okay, so you can check in order x power 3, x power 2, x power 1, x power 0. And then at the last term here, y power 3, y power 2, y power 1, y power 0. Then you do the power 4, do the same way. You're going to start with the x power 4, right? Okay. Now, maybe we do, okay, up to x power 4. So x power 4, right? Y power 0 plus x power 3, y power 1, this power 0. And next term plus x power 2, y power 2 plus x power 1, y power 3 plus next x power 0, y power 4. So you see power 4 must have 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is 0. Now we fill the coefficients from the Pascal triangle here. So this is a power 4 here. Power 4 mean the fourth row. So 1 you refill in here the coefficients. And 4 you fill it here 4. 6 you fill down here 6. And 4 here you fill in front of here is a coefficient. And 1 is here. So again, you check x power 4 in order, okay? Next, gonna x power 3, x power 2, x power 1, x power 0. And this one, y power 4, y power 3, y power 2, y power 1, y power 0. And do the same thing. This in the algebra form. Then it will lie in the combination. Remember, lie in the combination pattern, right? We're gonna have what? I like in the blue color here. So if this one for the combination pattern, we start from first row, right? Because the 0 row is 61. So we start from the first row here. From the first row. So you're gonna have I like more space here. Because first row you start from 1. Okay. So 1, 0 always start from 1, and next gonna be 1, C, 1. You see that 1, 1 here mean represent the first row, right? So start from 0 and next gonna be 1. This is like a NCR, NCR. So the second row gonna be what? Start from 2, C, 0, and then 2, C, 1, and then 2, C, 2. Third row, you're gonna be start from 3 and C, 0 again, right? And next gonna be 3, C, 1, 3, C, 2, 3, C, 3. And fourth row, do the same way. You're gonna fourth, then you start from 4, C, 0, 4, C, 1, 4, C, 2, 4, C, 3, and 4, C, 4. Okay, so you can see this one combination triangle here. 1C1 like a first row. This one is represent the coefficient here equal to 1, 1, same. And 1C1 represent the coefficient 1 here. This is the first law, 1 or 1 here. Okay, and if the second law, you can say C2 represent 1 here, or form the triangle coefficient 1 here, and 2C1 represent 2 here, same form here 2, and so on. So you can see from the Pascal triangle, if you like in the combination triangle, you see the first n line here, 1C1, 2C1, 3C1, 4C1. If you use calculator or use a formula of combination, or this one equal to 1, same as this one, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Same as right here in the algebra form, triangle 1, 1, 1, 1 in the font. And last one also 1, 1C1 is a 1, 2C2 is a 1, 3C2, 3C2 is 1, 4C1. You can see the last n here, 1, 1, 1, 1, and this one, 1, 1, 1, 1. We talk about coefficient only, okay? So last homework, most of perhaps many students did long when they ask for the coefficient of, for example, I wrote it down, say, for 3 like this. So if I like this one, find the coefficient, binomial coefficients. We can write this way, or you can write 4C3, or you can write down 4C4. Either pattern, they're same, right? So if I say, question say, ask you in the homework, okay, they ask you find the binomial coefficient of this one. Most of you will count at the beginning one here. You have to start count from here, from the second term. For the triangle, if you read coefficients, okay, you have to start from second one, not this one. Okay, like this one, 4 represent fourth law. 3 represent the third term. Okay, so fourth law, you go back to read the triangle, Pascal triangle. Fourth law, you count from here. This is a first, fourth law, right? So you count from here, first law, second law, third law, fourth law, so gonna be here. Okay, gonna be fourth law here. But then when you count, that means third term, you have to count from this one, start from this one. Not this one, okay? Not start from 1. 1 is a 0, we don't count. If you read coefficient from the Pascal triangle, you count this one as a first term. So you count 1, 2, 3. So your answer should be 4, not 6. Anyone of you go back to check your work, which is the teacher already check and email and return to all of you already. You go to check your work, okay? Who did this one wrong? I think I remember Chin and Sun. Only 1 or 2 did correct. I think Grace and Tangmo did correctly. Okay, so then when you answer this one, the binomial coefficients will equal to 4, not 6. Not 6. Okay. So that's the one I like to say, but most of people did incorrect. Only a few did correct. Okay, start count from this as a first term, second and third. This is the answer. Not from here, not from this one. This one is like a 1C0, 2C0. This one don't count. Okay. Okay, now that's the last period. Now we go on for next one. We're gonna learn. Next one gonna be binomial expansion. From the Pascal triangle here, we can get the formula theorem formula of binomial from the Pascal triangle, which is right down here. And then I can explain for a little bit how is it, okay? So now we can get the theorem, binomial theorem formula become this one, okay? So become, for example, we have this is a formula which is get from the Pascal triangle. The formula is A plus B the whole thing power n equal to n c 0 c n c 0 and then a n minus 0 and b power 0 plus n c1 then a n minus 1 and then next b1. When you see this, then don't be afraid. Look like a complicated. Actually, it's easy because it's in the pattern, in the order pattern. You observe NC0, right? Same thing like here. If you start from the first one, become 1C0, and next 1C1 mean the next one NC1. Okay, and then for the third term here, you observe NC0, right? C is a combination. A mean this one A, the first term, and then you use N minus 0 here, and B power 0 you get from this one. This is R, right? Like a NCR. Okay, so next the second term, one NC0, next one should be NC1, right? 0 and next should be 1 here, and then N minus 1. Power n minus 1, you get n minus 1 here. And b1 here, that means you get from here, from 1 here. Now this nc1, nc0, nc1, next should be nc2. And then this one, a you get n, you see this a, n minus 1, get n minus 1 here. So this one gonna be n minus 2. And b get this from here, become power 2 here. And plus go on n c 3 again become n minus 3 power n minus 3. B get from here power 3. Go on plus n, the nc3 next going to be nc4. Then a n minus 4, b power 4. And you just keep writing until n term. So to the last term gonna be n c n a n minus n, same pattern, okay, and then b power n here at the bottom. So you can observe the last term n c n, same like the last one here, gonna be 1c1, 2c2. If their second term is power 3, gonna be 3c3, 4c4, and this one ncn. Observe that. Okay, so this is a formula of binomial theorem, which is get from the idea of Pascal triangles. Okay, now we see how to use the formula, how to apply. Okay, so then if I give you the easy example first, maybe start from here. Example of, let's see what color gonna use, maybe purple. Example, if you want to expand, say expand like the expansion of, okay, so just say example, say like write the expansion of its expression. Okay, so say question A, if I give you, for example, I'm trying to use example which is in handout, okay, and then you can compare and take a look one more time from the handout and the video right now I give to you. So maybe example, we can try x plus 1 power 3 get the n, small n first, okay? So in this case, expand this one by we can use this formula, right? This lies a formula, okay? So then this one, you can see from this one, right? You can compare. Right now, n power formula n, right? Up to n terms. So, but this one 3, so we can have n equal to 3. Okay, and then a, right now a equal to x. The formula a equal to x. Okay, so you like a equal to x, and b equal to 1. B equal to 1. Now from the formula, you just replace this one in there. That's all. Replace it. Okay. Go back to formula one more time. How to remember, you see, start from NC0 from the Pascal, right? From the Pascal pattern. So NC0, next gonna be NC1, NC2, NC3, NC4, NC5, and so on until the last term, NCN. Okay, it's the order correct? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until N. And then A means this A. You get N minus 0, the index. B, get from here, B0. And next one, A, you get from N minus 1 here. B power 1 here. Follow the R. NCR, this is R. One. And next one, A here, right? Become N minus 2. A power N minus 2, get from N minus 2 here. And B means this one, 2 power 2, and so on. NC3, then A become N minus 3, get this one, and B power 3 from here, and so on. Okay, now we come back to our example here. If x plus 1 power 3, so we must have 4 terms. When you expand, must have 4 terms. How we know how many terms? You count, see from the plus sign between here, plus sign between. That will count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, then power 3 must have 4 terms. Now we replace now. N equal to 3. So from here, NC0, right? N equal to 3. So you like C0. A, right now A is a X, so you like X. N minus 0, so become 3 minus 0. B is a 1, so you like 1 power 0, right? And all this is a time, okay? But we can write in this form. After this, plus NC1, N is a 3. Sorry. So N is a 3, C1. A is a X power, sorry, 3 minus 1. B is a 1. So you have 1 power 1, right? So you can say this one, 1 power 0, right? Okay, and next term, this one, okay? NC2 become 3C2. A is X times X, 3 minus 1. B is 3 minus 2, sorry. B is 1, right? 1 power 2. Plus this one, N. N is 3, C, 3. A is the X, so become 3 minus 3. B is a 1 power 3. Now, can we go on? Because when you say 3C3, that's already N. It's expand N to the power 3 already. So you observe have 4 terms. 1, if power 3 must have 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we stop like that. Now after this, we just expand. Okay, 3C0 is 1. Right now you can use calculator kind of faster. Otherwise you have to use a formula of combination, maybe take a little bit time. So you use calculator. Okay, and then 3C0 is a 1. Time x power 3 minus 0, so we have x power 3. 1 power 0 always 1. Plus 3C1 is 3, use calculator, okay, and x power 3 minus 1, we have x power 2. And 1 power 1, we have 1. Plus 3C2 is 3. So x power 3 minus 2, we have x power 1. 1 power 1, always 1. Plus 3C3 is a 1. Use calculator, okay, and then x power 3 minus 3, x power 0. 1 power 3 is a 1. Now we simplify. Become x power 3 plus 3x power 2 plus 3x plus 1. Because x power 0 is always 1. 1 times 1 times 1 equal to 1. So this is a final answer. Okay. Now this is very simple for x power 3. If power 3 must have 4 terms. So this is a 4 term. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now if I give you more example, maybe a little bit. The formula is a plus b power n equal to nc0 a n minus 0 and b power 0 plus nc1 a n minus 1 b power 1 plus nc2 a n minus 2 b power 2 plus nc3 a n minus 3 b power 3. It's in the pattern, in the order pattern, okay, not hard. So nc4 a n minus 4 b4. Keep doing plus 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 until the last term gonna be n cn a n minus n b power n. Now we try more example here. If I give you maybe say 2x plus 3y, for example, power 5, power 4, maybe try 4. Okay, so then we like from here we check first, right? Use formula, we expand this expression. N right now n equal to 4. Just say n equal to 4. A right now a equal to 2x, and then b equal to 3y. Okay, now we replace in the formula. N is a 4. So we have 4 c 0. A is 2x power 4 minus 0. B is 3y power 0 plus this one second term. N is 4 c1. A is 2x power 4 minus 1. And b is 3y power 1 plus this term now, okay, become nc2 2x power 4 minus 2 and b power 2 plus, because 4 should have 5 terms, you keep doing until they have the same. N equal to r. nc3 2x power 4 minus 3 and b power 3 plus ncn 2x power 4 minus 4. Sorry, b. Oh, I think this b we can replace. Sorry, we replace right away. This b. Okay, we write down here. This one b is a 3y. This one power 1, then next power 2, and then 3y. Power 2, next power 3, and then this one 3y. This one plus 3y power 4. Okay, so we check power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4. Okay, we replace all. Now we can expand now. 4c0 is 1, right? Now I will write step by step first, okay, because I want to explain this point because most of students did long from the first one also. Most of students will always make long at this stage. So we have 2x power 4, correct? And then 3y, the whole thing, power 0, always 1. So we write 1 here. Plus 4c1 is 4, right? And then 2x power 4 minus 1 power 3. And 3y power 1 is 3y. Plus, then you can use calculator, right? 4c2 equal to 6. 4c2 equal to 6 times 2x power 4 minus 2 power 2, and then 3y power 2 plus 4c3, you use calculator, 4c3 equal to 4. And this one gonna be 2x, 4 minus 1 become power 1. And this 3y power 3. Plus 4c4 is a 1, right? Time 2x4, this one have to be minus 4, okay? It's another. So this one 2 become 2x power 0, right? Time 3y power 4. Okay, now we simplify. This one, don't forget, this the part I want to emphasize all of you, because most students will make mistake here. This one, right? And the rest of term same. 2x, the whole thing power 4 equal to 2 from the formula, right? Have to be 2 power 4 times x power 4. So that means equal to 2 power 4 equal to 16, right? X power 4. But most of you like in this way. 2x power 4. You write it down equal to 2x power 4, which is wrong, okay? This one wrong. This one correct. Don't forget you have to power to power 4 also. Don't forget this one. This one, don't forget this. Most of you forgot to power 4 here. Okay, so keep in mind, please. Okay, now we can simplify next, and the rest of term the same thing. Okay, the rest of term gonna be that way, the same thing. Now we expand this 2x power 4 gonna be 16x power 4 time 1 still equal to 16x power 4 plus. Then this one, don't forget 4 2x the whole thing power 3 become 8x power 3 here, and then time 3y here. Okay, plus 6 times 2x power 2, don't forget, become 4x power 2, and 3y the whole thing power 2 means 3 power 2 become 9y power 2 plus this one doesn't matter. This one is what, power 1, so you have 4 times 2 become 8x. But this one 3y the whole thing power 3 should be 27y power 3 plus, okay, this 2x power 0, so anything power 0, this one equal to 1, correct? So now you're gonna have 1 time this one is what, 3y 3 power 4 equal to, don't forget 3 power 4 equal to 81. So this one gonna be 81y power 4. It's the 81, okay? Nice light. Okay, this one time 81y power 4. Now we can simplify next one, okay? This one gonna be 16x power 4. Then you time 4 times 8 times 3 become what? 12. 12 times 8 is what? 96, right? So we have this one plus 96x cubed y plus this one you time 6 times 4 times 9. Okay, become 216. Become 216 x square y square. Plus this one 20, we have 27 times 8. So become 216 x y cubed plus 1 times 81, so 81 y power 4. Okay, so now we have this a final answer. So we must have, because power 4 here, we should have 5 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then the most part we make mistake is right here, the one I just say. Don't forget this one. Okay, equal to this one equal to this, and this one equal to this. Also this one equal to this one. Okay, this one equal to 81 here. This the most part, student will make mistake right here. Don't forget. But if you understand, you know, this one we learned last term about the exponent, right? The power in exponent in the indices. This one. If you know this state, this line and this line, you don't need to write down, up to you. You can go up this line of the final answer. But if you don't, if you are not sure, then you better write step by step, like what I did. Okay, but make sure this one all correctly. Okay, this is the final answer. Again, write the formula again. Okay, so you can compare what's going on. So a plus b power n, nc0, a n minus 0, b power 0 plus nc1, a n minus 1, b1 plus nc2, a n minus 2, b2 plus nc3, a n minus 3, b3 plus until the last term ncn, a n minus n, bn. If you don't want to write this pattern like a NCO, you can write NO like this, up to you, okay? Or you can write NCO, up to you, same meaning. Okay, now we try next example. Next example, if I give you like a with the negative sign, the expression. For example, I want you to expand by using the binomial theorem, expand this expression. For example, 2x minus 3 power, we try the small one, 4, okay, power 4. So in this case, formula is a plus, you see that. Our formula, this one is plus, right? The formula plus, but now it's a minus sign. So in this case, you can write it down in this pattern, follow the formula. So we can write that become 2x plus and then minus 3, and the whole thing power 4. Okay, so you break it down in this pattern and then use formula. Okay, from this one you can see from the formula n, power n. Right now n is equal to 4, correct? And then right now a equal to 2x, and then b right now equal to minus 3. You have to carry negative sign. Okay. When have the negative sign, the font you have to write down like a font answer. But if not, it plus is okay. You don't need, because we understand by mathematics plus you don't need to write the font. But minus the negative sign you have to write down. Okay. So now we start to do expand. From here, n from the formula again. Okay, this one first term NCO. So n is a 4. CO C0, I mean. A is a 2x. Power 4 minus 0. And then B is a negative 3. Power 0. Plus second term here. So become 4C1. This 4C0, next 4C1. Then A is a 2x. 4 minus 1. B is a negative 3. Power 1. Then plus third term NC2. 2x. N minus 2. And then B is a negative 3 power 2. Oh, this N is a 4, okay? Plus, and this is a 4. 4C3 2x 4 minus 3. And then this one 3, negative 3 power 3. Plus 4C4 2x 4 minus 4 negative 3 power 4. Then we stop because 4C4 is going to be the last term. So again, power 4 must have how many terms? 5 terms. Okay, count from, break it down from the plus side. So be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Okay, now we simplify. 4C0 is 1, right? Then time 2x power 4, right? Then any base power 0 always 1, correct? Plus this term 4C1, 4C1 is 1, 4, sorry, is 4. So time 2x power 3 times negative 3 power 1 still same, right? Plus 4C2 is what? You use calculator, okay? 4C2 is 6. So you have 6 times 2x power 2. And then this one gonna be negative 3 power 2. Don't forget, when power even number, the sign come out plus, correct? Because it's a negative 3 power 2, gonna be plus 3 power 2 is 3 times 3 become 9. And the sign come out with the plus sign. Okay, so now go next term. Plus 4C3, you use calculator. 4C3 is 4. So you have 4 here. Time 2x. 4 minus 3, you have power 1. And then this one, you see, negative 3 power 3. Don't forget this one again. Really important, okay? This is a power 3 here. Power 3 here. It's an odd number, right? It's an odd number, the sign must negative. So you're gonna have negative 3 power 3 is 27. Okay? That's we learn already, and you learn from previous years, grade 8, 9, 10 already. So now plus 4C4 is a 1 times 2x power 0, correct? And then again, see this index here, power 4 is an even number, so come out, this one should be plus sign, correct? So 3 power 4 is, you can use power 3 power 4, you can use calculator. 3 power 4 gonna be 81, right? So you have plus 81. Okay, plus 81. Now after this we simplify. Simplify 1 time. Again, don't forget this one. 2x power 4 is 2x, like a last example I emphasize for that, like the calculation. You must have 2 power 4 times x power 4, okay? Not 2 times x power 4, okay? This one wrong, okay? This one wrong. Have to be this one. So 2 power 4 is what? 16. So this one going to be 16 x power 4 plus, again, this one become 4 times 2 power 3 is 8x power 3. I like step by step first, okay? Because for make sure you really get what my point, okay? So this one 2x power 3 times negative 3x plus this one becomes 6 times 2, this one 2x power 2 become 4x power 2 times 9 plus this one, you see, this one plus, right? This is all time, and this is a negative. Negative time plus should be, this one have to be negative sign, correct? Have to be negative sign. So plus time negative become minus here. And then you can see 4 times 2 times 27. What we have, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 27 gonna be 216. 216. And then x power 1. Okay, and next one, just the last term here. 1 times 2x, 2x power 0 is a 1. So 1 times 1 times 81 come out 81 here. Now the last step become 16x power 4. And this one you see plus time, and this a minus come out to be negative sign. Don't forget, this one should be minus, okay, because this one minus and this one plus come out should be minus sign. Okay, then you can do time 4, 8 is 32, x power 3. Oh no, 4 times 8, 32 times another 3 also. Okay, one more time. 4 times 8 times 3 is what? 12 times 8 is 96. Okay, so we have 96 x power 3. And this one plus, then you use 6 times 4 times 9. This one, right? 6 times 4 times 9 is 216 x power 2. And this one already simplified, just lie down. Okay, so this is a final answer. So when come out with the negative sign, have to careful about the sign. No matter gonna be here or in the font, they will relate it with must have some term plus, some term minus. But if all plus, so every term is a plus. So if any term of A or B it have negative sign, they will relate it with the negative sign. When final answer should have plus, some terms are plus, some term minus. You see whatever like we work on here. Okay. Again, if you understand from the second line here, if you don't want to write like what I did step by step, if you understand, you can jump the step, doesn't matter, but only make sure you get the answer correctly. Okay, so this is a final answer. This another one. Then you see this one, if 2x is with the unknown and the number, right? If next one, I let you try, maybe this is the last example I want you to try is have both terms have both terms have the variable xy. For example, okay, this is an example talk about, I will give you like a fraction term. Okay, for example, still do the binomial expansion, okay, the theory. So if I say when you expand this one, x plus 1 over x power 6, for example. Okay, again, before that, we write the formula one more time on the top. Okay, write the formula. A plus b power n equal to n c 0 a n minus 0 b power 0 plus n c 1 a n minus 1 and b power 1 plus n c 2 a n minus 2 b power 2 plus n c 3 a n minus 3 b power 3 and plus up to n term. That means ncn a n minus n b power n. Power n. Okay. Then we start to expand this one. But first of all, you see right now from the formula n, right now it's a 6. So you can write down first, say n equal to 6, a equal to x. And now b from the formula equal to 1 over x from the questions. Okay, now from this one gonna be equal to, from x plus 1 over x power 6, we expand from the formula. N is a 6, so you will write 6 here. C 0, a is x, so we have x power 6 minus 0. B is 1 over x power 0 plus the second term here gonna be 6 C1 a is a x, so 6 minus 1. B is a 1 over x power 1 plus, now this term, okay, become 6 6c2. 6c2 a is the x, so 6 minus 2. B is a 1 over x power 2 plus this term now become 6c3 a is a x, so 6 minus 3. B is 1 over x power 3. Keep plus until to the last term of power 6. So plus next term gonna be 6c4 x power 6 minus 4, and then b gonna be 1 over x power 4 plus 6c5 x power 6 minus 5, and this one gonna be 1 over x power 5 plus the last term. Can I write on the top here? Last term, okay? Last term right on top here. Become 6c6 x becomes 6 minus 6, 1 over x power 6. Okay, now we load all the 7 terms. You see, power 6 must have 7 terms. We count 1 from the plus side here. From the plus side, okay? Here, plus. For each side, plus here. So you can count how many terms we have. So count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the top. Okay, so now we come back to expand. 6c0 is 1 times x power 6 times x 1 over x power 0 always always 1, right? Because any base power 0 always 1. So this one equal to 1. Plus, this one plus. So 6C1 is 6. Okay, so this is a 1, okay. And then x, this one x6 minus 1 become power 5. And 1 over x power 1 still the same. So we have 1 over x plus this term 6C2. You can use the calculator. 6C2 equal to 15, right? So 15. Then this one x power 4 times 1 over x power 2 here. Okay, plus 6C3, again you can use calculator. 6C3 become 20. 6C3 is 20. X, this one become power 3 times 1 over x power 3. Okay, and then plus 6C4, this calculator. 6C4 become 15. 15, and then x, this one 6 minus 4 become power 2. And then 1 over x power 4 gonna be 1 over x power 4. Plus 6C5, you can use calculator again. 6C5 gonna be 6. And x power 6 minus 5, we have x power 1. Time, this one 1 over x power 5. Plus the last term here, 6C6 is a 1. Time x 6 minus 6 become power 0 times 1 over 6 power 6. Now we simplify. 1 times x power 6 times 1 become x power 6. Plus, right? Because you see every term going to be plus sign because of this one. Because of this one is a plus sign. So every term come out have to be plus sign. No minus sign. Okay, because this is a plus. So because both A and B are plus also. So every term come out should be plus sign. Okay, now we come to the second term. Gonna be 6 x power 5 can cut simplify with the 1 over x. So cut. So we left x power 4. And this term gonna be 15. And x, this one, x power 2 power 4 cut, we left x power 2 on the top. Plus 20, x power 3, this is a power 3, okay, x power 3. So cut, left 1, so 20 times 1 is 20, plus 15. And then this one, x power 2, x power 4, right? So cut become 15 over x power 2. Because we cut, you left on the bottom, plus 6, this one x cut, right? So become 6 times 1 over x power 4. And plus x power 0 here always 1, right? So 1 times this one gonna be 1 over x power 6. Okay, now you can leave this answer or you can rewrite it at this pattern. It's still okay. For algebra, you can write the pattern. Plus power 2 plus 20. You can write this way up to you. 15 over x power 2 plus 6 over x power 4 plus 1 over x power 6. Okay, so this is a kind of fraction pattern. If, for example, if question asks you, say, find the fifth term of this expression, okay? So say question say after this, right? For another pattern question can ask you this instead of only expand of this expression. So if question say find maybe say the fifth term, find the fifth term. Find the fifth term of x plus 1 over x power 6. Just say 5 from this question, we use the same one. So the answer of this one gonna be equal to what? So you count from the fifth term, you count this one as the first term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer gonna be this one, right? So your answer equal to 15 over x squared. That's the fifth term. But it's a question A, for example. If question continue as say question B, say find the coefficients of the fifth term. For example, if they say they want to question one, you find only coefficients. So coefficient, this answer gonna be you answer only the number in front of unknown. So just say you answer 15. You answer only 15. Because you just answer, just say this one. This and this the same meaning, correct? But this one represent coefficients. But if the whole thing, if the whole thing here mean represent the term, so you answer as this one. Okay, but if they have minus sign, the font, you have to carry the minus sign for all two cases also. Okay. Okay, so now this is an example for the fraction. Then we go try next example. Then this one gonna be the example of the if we find the expansion of the expression if we have unknown variable both. Try this one. If I want you find this one. Next example say if give you expand this one x minus 2y power 5. You see now both of them gonna be variable x and y also, not only one is a variable and one's a number. But before that, again, how about we write the formula one more time so you can compare during we work on the example. Okay, so formula again, a plus b power n equal to n c 0, a n minus 0, b power 0 plus n c1, a n minus 1, and b power 1. Plus next term become n c2, a n minus 2, and b power 2. Plus the next term keep going, n c3, a n minus 3, b power 3. And do up to n term. I mean this one. Okay, formula ncn, a n minus n, b power n. Okay, now we come back to solve our question here. So from this one again, we can write in because of, you see, because of formula is a plus sign here. So we have to convert right now, but this question is a negative. So we have to convert, right? Convert in the plus pattern according to the formulas. So you can write that become x plus negative 2y. Okay, and the whole thing power 5. Whole thing power 5. See, now compare now. N. Now we write down n equal to 5 now because power 5. A equal to x now. And B from the formula equal to negative 2y. Okay, negative 2y. So now we replace in this one. Okay. So I like more space here. X from the formula n is a 5, c 0, a is a x, power 5 minus 0, and b b is a negative 2y power 0 plus the next term going to be 5c2 a and the x5 minus 2 and then negative y power 2. Go next terms 5 3 5c3 and then x become 5 minus 3 and then minus 2y power 3. Next term. So power 5 should have 6 terms. Okay. 5c4 x 5 minus 4 and then minus 2y power 4. Next gonna be 5c5 x 5 minus 5 2y power 5. Okay, so you can this one 5. Okay, 5 minus 5. So we can see 0. Oh, I'm missing here. Should be 1. Oh, here become 1. We change. Okay. So this one 5c1. So I can collect, or maybe I can delete, or how about that? This one become 5-1. I did delete all and start again from here. Okay. I'm missing one here. Maybe go to the next page. Okay, now next is gonna give you the two unknown variable, how to expand. Okay, the for example is x minus 2y power 5. Okay, then now most of them have variable, but before that maybe we write the formula one more time. Okay, so gonna be a plus b power n become nc0 a n minus 0 b power 0 plus nc1 a n minus 1 b power 1 plus nc2 a n minus 2 b power 2 plus nc3 a n minus 3 b power 3 plus, so I'll go on until n c n a n minus n a minus n b power n. Okay, now we start to solve our equation. From here, can take a look. Formula is a plus sign, but now it's a minus sign. So we have to convert to the plus sign according to the formula. So we can write it down as x plus, and then break it down here, become minus 2y, and the whole thing power 5. Okay, so we can write down now, say n equal to 5 mean this one. A, from the formula a equal to x, and b from the formula equal to negative 2y. Okay, now we break it. Now come back to expand now. Start from here. Okay, so we start from the formula. N is a 5. So 5 c0 a is a x. So 5 minus 0. B is a negative 2y power 0 plus this term now, this term. So become 5c1 x 5 minus 1. B is a minus 2y power 1 plus 5c2 x 5 minus 2, and then this one minus 2y power 2 plus 5c3 x 5 minus 3, and then this one gonna be minus y power 3 plus 5c4 x 5 minus 4, and this one gonna be minus 2y power 4, and last term gonna be 5c5 x power 5 minus 5, and this one gonna be minus 2y power 5, minus 2y power 5. Maybe I like clearly here 5. This is minus 2y power 5. Okay, now we start to expand. 5c0 is a 1. Then this one become x power 5. Any base power 0 always 1. So negative 2y power 0, 1 equal to 1. Plus this term now. 5c1 is 5. X become 5 minus 1 become power 4. And then this one 2y power 1 still the same. Minus 2y power 1 still same. Plus right now this one 5c2. You can use calculator. So this one become 10. And this x power 3. And again this one, okay? Take a look this one. Don't forget, have to be 2 power 2 times y power 2. But because of this index, the even number, the sign must come out with a plus sign. So here we have plus 4y power 2. Okay, then go next term here. Plus 5c3. 5c3, you can use calculator. Okay, 5c3 is 10. 5c3 equal to 10. Then you write 10 here. And x gonna be power 2. And again, this one, see, very important, okay? So minus 2y, the whole thing power 3. Again, this one is a odd number, power is a odd, right? So the sign must negative. So this gonna be negative 2 power 3 become 8 and y power 3. Okay, so then go the next term. Go to the next term, plus 5c4. You can use calculator. 5c4 equal to 5. So you have 5 here. And then x power 5 minus 4 become x. And this one again, take a look. This one, even index, the sign should be plus, and don't forget 2 power 4 and y power 4, this final for this term. So come up with a plus. So we have 2 power 4 is 2, 3, 8, 2, 4, 16. 16 y power 4. Plus sign, okay, plus sign, but we don't need to write down. Then go next one. Plus the last term. 5c5 is a 1. X power 5 minus 5. This one 5 minus 5, okay. This power 5 minus 5 become x power 0. Time Again, this one. Don't forget this one. The power is odd, so the sign must minus, and 2 have to be 2 power 5, y power 5. So this one gonna be minus 2 power 5 is a 32. Y power 5 become y 5 here. Then, okay. So now simplify 1 times x power 5 times 1 become x power 5. And then you observe this one minus sign, and this time, right? And then this one plus sign. So the sign come out have to be negative. Plus time minus negative. So 5 times 2 become 10. X power 4 and y. Okay. And next term here is a general term. So plus plus, so come out plus sign. This one 10 times 4 become 40. X power 3, y power 2. Okay. But then see this one, the next term here. This one have minus sign, you see that? So minus time plus the sign come out should be negative. And then 10 times 8 is what? 80. X squared, y cubed. Okay. Now this term, the next term, what's going to be? 5 times 16 is what? 80, right? Plus 80, yes. And then x, y, 4. Okay. Then the last term here. 1 time x power 0, x power 0, x power 0 always 1, right? So 1 time this, and this is negative. So this one should be negative side, 32 y power 5. Okay, so this is a final answer. Okay, again, careful on this one, the one I just keep saying that for this one, like this one, when power, for example, this one power 2, right? Like this one, don't forget, this one have to be 2 power 2 and y power 2. That's why you got this one, okay? And also like this one, right? Don't forget this one have to be 2 power 3 and y. And this, because odd number, the sign come out should be negative sign. Okay, negative sign, negative. And then this one become negative. Okay, this one come here, the negative sign. Okay. Oh, by the way, if question asks you, say find like a period, right? Find in the third term. Find this one, the 6th, 7th term. How did power 5, right? So maybe say find the 4. Okay, find the 4th term. If question, I use this the same example. If question asks you, say find the 4th term of this expression x minus 2y. This is a 2, okay? 2y power 5. If they want to find the 4th term of this, you just count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer gonna be this one. So the answer like that equal to negative 80 x squared y cubed. But equation say, for example, this is a, okay, and this is a b. Equation say find the 4th, find the coefficients. Find the coefficients of the 4th term. Then this answer gonna be, you count the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, but right now they need only coefficients. Okay, so you answer as this one. Coefficients mean any number in front of unknown. So you answer only this. So become negative 80. This is a coefficients. Okay, but if they find the fourth term, you answer the whole thing. But if coefficients, you get only the number, including the sign in front of a variable xy. But if class, for example, question say find the third term, right? So you just answer this one, correct? The blue one here. You answer the, this one, you answer only this one. But if they say find the coefficient of the third term, you just answer 40, but it's a plus sign, okay? Because plus sign, you carry, you answer at the final or not, it's still okay, the same. But if have with the negative sign, you must carry it out. The font, the negative sign here is necessary to write down for the final answers. Okay, so I think that's, or maybe if, for example, this example, if I give like this, right? For example, x and y both of negative sign, like this, for example, like this. You still do the same idea. You write in the general form similar to the formula. So you can write negative x like this, right? And plus sign like this, minus 2y, and then the whole thing, power 5. Okay, then you replace this one, a equal to negative x, and b equal to negative 2y, and then n equal to 5 here. Okay, okay, that's all I think should be cover all what you're gonna do the assignments. So I think that's all for today. And you just, if you don't understand, repeat, see one more time, again and again. And any question beside that, you can contact me by, we have like group or individual, okay? And then you can check in GC, you're gonna, I will post for all the questions you need to do. We see use a handout in the chapter 8.5 of the binomial theorems. Okay, okay, thank you, bye-bye.